This trick will change your cooking. You can use frozen meat immediately. Just slice the chicken breast with a peeler over a pan of boiling water. This method allows the meat to cook quickly and evenly. Once the meat is cooked, set it aside. In a glass bowl, crack 2 eggs, then add half a cup of milk. Add your favorite spices and half a cup of flour to the bowl, mixing everything until smooth. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix again. Toss in a handful of mozzarella to give the dish a creamy, stretchy cheese texture. Add the prepared chicken and mix everything together. Pour the mixture into a baking dish. Take 1 tomato and a bell pepper, slice them, and place the slices on top. Sprinkle extra grated mozzarella over everything. Bake the dish at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After this time, it's perfect for a light lunch. It combines the delicate flavor of chicken, the creamy texture of cheese, and the freshness of tomatoes and peppers, creating a harmonious dish that's sure to please both adults and kids alike.